Hello everyone, welcome to TechBook. In today's video, we'll see one of the important questions that is asked in the exam frequently. That is, we'll learn how to write the Java statements for mathematical expression. So let's start this video. Java provides built-in math class that includes several useful mathematical functions. You can use these functions without creating an objects because they are static functions. Let's see some of the commonly used math functions one by one. That is math.max, it returns the largest of two values. Math.min, it returns the smallest of two values. Math.round, it is used to round the decimal numbers to the nearest value. Math.sqrt, used to return the square root of a number. Math.cbrt is used to return the cube root of a number. Math.pow, that is math.power, it returns the power of the number. So it is like this, math.power of 5 comma 2. This is equal to 5 power 2. Next, math.ceil, it is used to find the smallest integer value that is greater than or equal to the argument. So for example, if you have a number like this 3.4, so it will be rounded off to 4.0. That is the next highest integer. Math.floor, it is used to find the largest value which is less than or equal to the argument. So here for example, if it is again 3.4, this will return as 3.0. We'll see some of the questions that are frequently asked in the exam. Write a Java program for the mathematical expression. Here a is equal to 0.02 minus 3 into, here you can see the power. So we can use math dot power of y comma 3. So as I told, this will return it as y power 3 and whole thing divided by x plus y. So this is the answer for this. Write a Java program for the following mathematical expression. We have one more similar question, that is v is equal to 1.0 divided by 3 into, here we have pi. Java has the math function for pi also, that is math dot pi into r square. Math dot power of r comma 2 into h. So this is the answer. One more similar question, z is equal to x cube, that is math dot power of x comma 3 plus math dot power of y comma 2 minus, here we have the square root, math dot sqrt of x into y and divided by 2. Next question, here p cube and q power 4, that is math dot power of p comma 3 plus math dot power q comma 4 minus 1.0 divided by 2 into r. Next question, here we have the square root and also the square. So how to write it? D is equal to math dot sqrt of 3 into x plus math dot power of x comma 2 and here whole thing, it is divided by a plus b. So this is the answer. Next, the question may be asked like this also. They may ask the Java statements and you should give the proper output for this. So let us solve this. First, we'll solve the inner function, that is math dot floor of x. The value of x is 3.7. Now this will be rounded down to the nearest integer, that is 3.0, and the value of y is 3.3. And next we have math.min of this both argument. So which is the minimum value here? It is 3.0. So the answer for this one is 3.0. Next, in the same way here, math.max. So you should find the maximum value of these both arguments, that is math.ceil of x. Math.ceil of x, that is x value is 3.7. Ceil function, if you use it, you will get 4.0 comma value of y is 3.3 and maximum of these both is 4.0. So this is how you can answer it. Next question, we'll solve this. Math dot power of 3.4 comma 2. So how to write this? 3.4 power 2. So we'll solve this first. 3.4 into 3.4. It is 11.56 plus 2 into square root of 64. That is square root of 64 is 8. Now we'll solve this. 8 to the 16 and 11.56 if we add it. So the answer is 27.56. Next, mat.ceil of 3.4. It is a ceil function that will be 4.0 plus 2 into mat.floor of 3.4. So if it is floor function, it becomes 3.0 plus 2. It is very simple. 3 into 2, it is 6.0 plus 2, 4.0. Next, if we add all of this, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, it is 12.0. So this is the answer. Next, it is very simple question. Mat.floor of 1.9. So as I told, floor function, if you use it, it becomes 1.0. Mat.round of 4.5. Here it is rounded off to the next number. That will be 5.0. Next, predict the output of the following. Mat.power of 3.5 power 3. So it is 3.5 power 3 plus mat.ceil of 4.2. If it is ceil function, it will be rounded up to the next integer, that is 5.0. Now let us solve this. So it is 42.875 plus 5.0, which will be equal to 47.875. These are some of the most commonly asked questions and math functions in the exam. So these are very easy to solve and easy to score the marks. I hope this explanation was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechBook. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning. Thank you.